Guys, bago tayo alis, kasi alis daw kami, may ano daw si Tami, may bibilhin. So ngayon, hindi kami nag-usap, may dahilan nga sabihin ko sa inyo mamaya. Pero ngayon, isipin ko muna yung diet ko bago yung hindi na kami nag-usap. Kasi may something nangyayari kanina habang nandun ako sa bathroom. So yun, isabihin ko sa inyo, may keep on watching guys. So bago yan, punta lang kami sa Home Depot. Kailangan lang ni Tami bibili ng something. Pero nga dito, nag-usap na kami for sure. Kasi may ginawa akong something. What is a connector?
Hold the wire.
You're not gonna buy a whole thing with that, honey.
No, well, these are $30, but the single one is $7.50. I'm gonna pay $15 for two if I could just get the whole box for $30.
Kita nyo naman guys, nakikita nyo, sunod-sunod ako sa kanya. Ito lang pala yung hinahanap niya, egg sauce para sa bathroom sa taas. Sa second floor namin, kailangan siya ng malakas na egg sauce. Kasi guys, kapag may mainit na tubig i-on, ang resulta, yun na siya, ang daming moist sa dingding. At nakalabas na nga kami, sabi ko bilhin na natin yung egg sauce kasi kailangan bago masira yung ating bathroom. Kasi yung bathroom kapag hindi maganda yung egg sauce, masisira yung wall. So pagkatapos namin guys doon sa Home Depot, nagpunta kami sa PetSmart kasi meron kaming ginawa doon. And napatingin na rin kami dito sa ating, sa may section ng isdaan, charot. Yung parang may aquarium cam. Ang ganda pala ng mga display pag may aquarium. Napag isip-isip ko, gusto ko sana ng aquarium pero naisip namin ni Tami, yung pusa namin na si Habs, gustong-gusto niya yung tubig na gumagalaw.
What happened to my little babies? Huh? What is it? Aloy, ang baby ni mama too. Come on, monkey. Aloy, liki-liki. What's in my finger?
Guys, coffee po tayo guys. Mag-coffee kami, kakarating lang namin. And can I have this coffee, Han? I don't like this pink coffee. Oh, never buy that again, ha? So, kakarating lang namin from Costco. Home Depot. And then nagpa-appointment din kami kina Roxy sa pagkat ng nails niya kasi hindi ko na siya makat guys kasi ayaw talaga niya. Kanina itong asawa ko galing ako sa bathroom. Okay, galing ako sa bathroom. So, yung parang nagba-bathroom ka na parang gusto mo nang ilabas. Yun. TMI. Galing ako sa bathroom and then sabi ko, so nakalabas yung gusto kong ilabas. So sabi ko paglabas, ang saya-saya ko, and then siya galing sa basement and then nakahiga siya dito sa couch. Sabi ko, sobrang saya ko. Sabi ko, success! My husband, guys. Sad ako. I'm sad because he doesn't want me to talk. Han, success! Anak ko, ganun ko. So what happened, guys? He do like this. Ganun siya, ganun. Sabi ko, what happened? You don't want me to talk? Okay, fine. So hindi ako nagsasalita, guys. Hindi ako nagsasalita. So, ngayon, hindi ako nagsasalita, di ba? Then, pagkatapos namin naligo, sabi ko sa kanya, kinausap ko siya, ano bang ginawa akong masama? Sabi ko, ano bang ginawa akong masama? Bakit hindi mo ako pinagsalita? Parang, hindi niya ako pinagsalita. Gusto niya akong quiet ba? Kasi sabi ko, success. Ang saya ko talaga, guys. Promise, kasi parang siyang bato. Okay? So, saya ko. But sabi ko sa kanya, ba't hindi mo ako gusto magsalita? Yung parang humipa na yung ko, ang kasakit sa dunghan. So, sabi pa niya, kasi yung sabi na, taxes, kasi kailangan namin i-file yung taxes, guys. And then, akala niya, taxes. Sabi ko, success? Sabi ko, Rehan, I said success, and you think taxes. And he's like, talk to the hand. So, ngayon, okay na kami kasi yun, kinausap ko siya ng maayos. Kasi sabi ko, parang may mali dito da. Ano ba yung kinaanuhan ng asawa ko? Parang may mali talaga. So, yan. Buti na lang pala. Ang success naging taxes. Yes, honey. Can we return this?
No, you don't return it.
Or can we just go bring it to the basement and have another extra?
Making a quad box to put in the basement so you can have power there to plug in the cat litter box. Because the cats are so special. Because that's who they are.
My grandma, you're my grandma, sitting by the fire. Your grandma, you're my grandma, sitting by... Do you want some cake?
No.
Sorry, Rox. Your dada.
Gotta make an opening, put the wire.
Huh?
Gotta make an opening to put the wire.
My grandma, you're my grandma. Okay, be careful. It's your coffee, dear.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, ito na yung chocolate na gusto kong bilhin na sabi ni Tami, no, don't get that because we don't know the price. So, finally, we have it. And so, tikman natin kung talagang masarap ba ba. Masarap ba ba? Tikman natin kung masarap ba. Hala, uy, ganito pala ito, oh. And this is what it looks like, hon. It's a mess.
What do you think it's gonna look like?
Try, itikman natin siya, guys. Dito siya, oh. Cut natin. You don't need to heat it. You just eat it.
Yes. You don't need to heat it.
Oh my goodness. So, tikman natin, ha. Let's see kung masarap ba siya sa kape. Much pala ito talaga, no? Sobrang soft niya, guys. Oh my God! My son. It's like a chocolate cake, guys. Do you want some? Hmm?
No.
It's good with coffee. I don't like the top layer, guys. This one here. Ayaw ko siya. I can eat this one right here. The bottom one. Hello, Han, look, Han. Han. Gusto niya. Okay. You wanna know what's what? Meal it. You can't have it. So, masarap naman siya, guys, sa kape. Naglaba lang ako, guys. So, look, oh. Meron akong mga labahan dito. Box yan, oh. Saka ito, laba po ako. Kailangan lang maglaba. Ay. Oo. Deliver na daw yung package, pero walang package. Ay. Dito pala. Gabi na. Nag-order na naman si Tami, guys. Ano na kayang in-order na naman ito? Tignan nyo. Lumabas pa. Ay. What? I think this is a dog thing.
You know, I have HBO, so if I have HBO, I'm entitled to HBO Max. But HBO Max is fucking streaming or some shit like that. So how do I get that?
So, okay. Let me check. What is Dada doing? Wow, Tommy, you have a lot of grocery down here. Wow, grocery everywhere. Oh, my boo-boo. Oh, it makes me think of boo-boo.
I lost the screw right.
You look right here?
Yeah.
Or somewhere?
I'm guessing here.
So, yun guys, andito po tayo sa basement. So, inano na yun ni Tami, yung in-order niya na ang daming nagagalit. People are mad at me, honey, because I react that way, hun. So, now he's gonna, put it back down here. Ito siya, ito yung nabili niya. Di ba?
You got the light right here, it's bright.
Yeah, but the sensor of that is in the back.
It's right there.
Yeah, it's in the back. Oh no, it's not in the back.
Come on, back.
So where are you gonna put it? You gonna put it in the wood over there? Oh, that's better. Just do one. Don't do quick. Okay.
You put one on each side or just one?
Just one. It's really strong.
Okay, you show it. Look.
Yeah, one. Yeah, I know. I can see. Allah, somebody did something in there already. Okay. Unplug it. Okay. Busy si Mister.